Okay, really quick, I wanted to post on live rolling. So this morning, Friday morning, the SPY, as you can see, is down a little bit. Okay, I'll zoom in real quick. It's down a little bit. And you guys remember I have this position right here. I sold the 197 call. So I'm betting the SPY will be finished below 197. But this position expires, and I'll go to my, I'll close this out, go to my, it expires in 7 days, right? So I want to roll it. It's better than last night, right? Last night I was down $60. Today I'm down only $27 on the trade. Okay, so I want to do this quick because I'm really busy today. So I probably wanted to wait ideally, but it's all right. Let's say you only have a little bit of time to work. So I'm going to teach you guys this real quick. What I would do. So here's a chart on the SPY. As you can see, as SPY drops, IV rank is going to climb. I'm thinking it'll still continue to drop. Here's your 15-minute chart. Hold on, let me just load up the studies we always do here. Okay, here's our 15-minute chart. As you can see, I've always taught, like, after hours, if the stock can't break above the after hours high, which is this gray area here, it'll fail. So as you can see, it has been a downward trend. It's spiking up, and who knows, I think it'll come down. So I don't have time today, I'm busy. So, and this is for training for you guys, so I wanted to do this now. Right, as you can see, IV rank is up here. It should drop a little bit, so I want to take advantage of this yesterday's pop and roll my positions. So real quick, here's my position in Doe. All right, so I'm gonna click on this. Oops, I already clicked on it. So you're gonna click on it, and you're gonna click on roll. Your trade page comes up. As you can see, we're down like almost $1, right? So that's good. So let's see what happens when we roll. The expiration date's closest to the price of the stock line right here is my current position. The outer ones are what I want to roll to. So I could roll out a week, and I can do it for a credit, which means that basically I get paid. As long as I do it for a break even, or I get paid for it, I'm okay. So what I'm going to do is let me buy some time a week, okay, or I'm going to shoot out one more. See that? It's a debit, so I don't want to do that. So I'll click one more time. It's even money. I'm going out further, right? If I go to next month in March, we'll get a 1 cent credit. So what I want to do is, let me just go back to here. Let me go to this. Let me go out 1 week, and let's just do it for a scratch. As long as you do it for a scratch or better, because I'm thinking, give me one more week and I'll finish below 197, I can get out. So I'm going to wait, and I want to do this for at least, this is the mid price right here. I want to do it for at least a 2 cent credit. So watch this. You can do it for 0 if you want. But this is going to cost me $3 to get in and $3 to roll. Okay, so usually I want to do it for at least 6 cents. Okay, so just for shits and giggles, I'm going to do that. I'm going to enter it for 6 cents. All right, and hopefully it comes to me. All right, but anyway, or I'll just do it just so you guys learn. All right, I'm just going to enter it as it is and just see what happens. All right, so I want to review this again. Here's my, I'm going to close all this, and I'm going to review. Because I have, here are my settings. I have it, this POS stands for positions. If it's blue, it'll show my positions. Okay, so I have everything blue. I want to see everything. Okay, so I start off at my trade page. Okay, I have this vertical spread. Okay, and if you didn't group it, it'll look like this. So again, review. You want to, wait, my bad. I'm going to, okay. Wait. How do I ungroup this stupid thing? Well, anyway, hopefully you guys have grouped your position. All right, so it'll look like this. Okay, so you click on the 2 positions, right? And it's a vertical. You click on roll, and it'll bring you to this page. I'm going to roll. It already pushed me out to the next week, and as you can see, it's a 3 cent credit. So I'm going to hit review and send to send this order, and I'm going to zoom in just so you guys know what I'm doing. Okay, you see how it's flip-flopped? So the one shaded is the closing one. I'm buying back my 197 call, and I'm selling the 202 call. Okay, watch, I'll clear it. See, I have this that I bought, that I sold, excuse me, and I have this position that I bought. To roll it, I have to do the opposite. So since I sold this one, I have to buy this one back. And since I bought this one, I have to sell this one. Okay, so that's why when I click on, when you click on roll, okay, these lighted shaded areas are showing what I did. I had to sell the call that I had up here, and I had to buy back the call that I sold down here. Now the ones that are dark are my new positions. I'm going to put on the same positions, but I'm just rolling it out 1 week to buy me some time. And as you can see, I can do it for a one set credit. Remember now, as long as you do it for a credit, you never want to pay. Credit means someone is paying you. All right. So then from there, I just hit review and set. It'll tell me, okay, because I'm rolling. Because I'm rolling, that's why it looks like this, right? But it'll carry over anything else I sold. It'll carry over and add all the credit I did from before. Okay, so let's just do it for $3 just so you guys can see how this actually looks. Over here, real quick, you're seeing what I'm doing, right? I'm the red is what I did to close. So I bought to close the 197, bought it back, and then I also sold to close my 202 call. All right. Now I'm selling to open another 197, but just the dates are different. Okay, that's how you read it. Orders being rolled, commission is $6, right? I'm doing it for 3 cents. I could try and change this to 6 cents so I can do it for a commission, but I don't mind losing $3 just to show you guys how this works. You send an order. That's it. Okay, and if it gets filled, now this is showing my working orders because in settings I have my working orders showing. If I close this, look, it goes away. See that? So these are my current positions, but if I go back and click this blue, it'll show what's working. So, okay, so this is what's working. I'm trying to sell it for a 3% credit. All right, now if you go to Thinkorswim, go to my trade page here. Here. Well, I'll shrink it so you guys can see from everything. So you can tell where my positions are because I have this, it says right here. So I'll expand that, and here's what's happening, right? I'm buying it back to close, I'm selling this one to close, and I'm rolling it out to the next month, which is right here, see? I mean, not the next month, the next week. And so I want to sell the exact same position, but a week later, and I'm going to do it for a 3% credit. That's what I mean by rolling. So I wanted you to see that. Now, what I'm going to do is I want to try to do it for 6 cents at least even. So I'm going to go to my position page and see it's working, right? I'm going to edit this order. Okay, so right now I'm trying to get 3 cents for it. And the market is saying it'll pay me 3 cents for it. So I might get filled. But, you know, I kind of want to do it for 6 cents. So at least because I don't have to worry about thing. And I think I'll be okay with that because I think the market's going to go my way. So if you want to change your trade, I'll teach you guys this right now. You hit edit order. All right. And then here, I'm going to change this to 6 cents. Right. And then it costs you nothing else. I just want to do it for a real scratch. Okay. And then I'll get send changes. And then if you want to see how your positions are doing, you just go. Right. And I'm guessing this will get to 6 and it'll go. All right. Hope that helps. I got to run. I got stuff to do today, but I want to do a real quick thing on rolling. Oh, wait. You could do the same thing on your SPY trades in your position trades here. You can edit order, which is probably on the wrong. I'm on the wrong screen, I think. Oh, no, I should be on the right screen here. What is this? Click on this one. View orders. Right here, this will come up. Click on the green dot, and you can cancel and replace. You can do the same thing in Thinkorswim. Cancel and replace, change the price you want to do it, confirm and send, and you're good to go. All right. Okay, so let's look at my chart real quick. My 15-minute chart. Yeah, it spiked up. I'm looking for a fail. Yep. I want this to drop. All right. So we'll see. Anyway, just for, like I said, for fun, I want to teach you guys how that works. I hope that helps.